All began well at Teso College Aloet in Soroti District during the ceremony to hand over building to the contractor for renovation. State Minister for Works Musa Ecweru and the State Minister for Works Peter Ogwang listened to the speeches from the head teacher, chairperson board of governors and the assistant town clerk. They later moved to inspect the dilapidated school buildings. Some had leaking roofs, non-functional water taps and sinks, cracked walls, broken verandas. The government constructed Gabican Engineering Limited to do the renovations. The Minister for Sports, Peter Ogwang, consulted with the ministry technocrats and he agreed with fellow Minister Musa Ecweru to stop the handover and ground-breaking of the site. The Honorable Ecweru said that they have halted the innovations because the scope of the work does not match with the funds.
In the Ministry of Education, money was identified over 4 billion for the renovation and a major overhaul of Teso College Aloet, over 4 billion. That's quite a substantial amount of money, but it is huge money.
Ecweru, who is an old boy of the college, noted that some buildings were destroyed by the rebels during the war in Teso, while some structures were too old and condemned.
Teso College had its own share of destruction, all those wars. But the beauty about Teso College, it has remained resilient, very, very strong. Even in the face of all those challenges, Teso College has always bounced back and also to continue performing. Except
the head teacher of Teso College Aloet, Opasos, said that the renovation offer was an indicator that the government is committed to improve the education sector. He noted that the renovation will cover the laboratory blocks, dormitories, washrooms, dining hall, kitchen, among others.
History has it that was started way back in 1954 by the then Teso District local government, and this explains the old and dilapidated nature of the school structures. When you look all over, all the buildings are old and dilapidated. Up to now, Teso College Aloet as a traditional school is still sustaining its full operational capacity and academic excellence.
Who was guided that we hold this occasion, and they are going to go back and reconcile the scope of works with regard to the contract amount.
Teso College is one of the traditional government-aided boys' schools in Teso, Eastern Uganda, with an enrollment of 1,820 students. It was established in 1954 by then Teso District local government.